Welcome to MOLIFHAI. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of HUMIN, our 100% pure humic acid for your soil and plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, HUMIN can transform your gardening experience. Humic acid is a natural compound derived from the decomposition of organic matter over the years. It plays a crucial role in enhancing soil fertility and promoting healthy plant growth. One of the key benefits of HUMIN is its ability to improve nutrient uptake. It acts as a natural chelator, binding essential nutrients like phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, making them more available to plants. This ensures your plants get the nutrients they need to thrive. HUMIN also promotes better root development. It enhances soil structure by increasing porosity and water-holding capacity, which leads to improved soil aeration and drainage. This is especially beneficial for heavy clay soils and sandy, loose soils. By improving soil structure and nutrient availability, HUMIN helps plants grow stronger and more resilient. It can even protect plants from harmful toxins in the soil by binding to them and preventing their absorption. Another significant benefit is the boost in microbial activity. HUMIN supports a healthy soil microbiome, which is vital for nutrient cycling and overall soil health. This leads to healthier, more productive plants. If you're looking for 100% pure humic acid, look no further. You can buy HUMIN through us, MOLIFHAI. This high-quality product is created by Capici, founded by our very own chemical engineer and bioenzyme inventor, Dr. Marlon L. Sayson. To place your order, contact our founding chairman and president, Dr. Marlon L. Sayson, at 09233655734. Check the description box for more information about our product, HUMIN. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page, MOLIFHAI, for more tips on agriculture and taking care of the environment. Together, we can cultivate a healthier planet. Subscribe now and join us on this journey towards sustainable and organic farming.